Good morning, traders. Today is on Friday, 17th of October. It's a good week, and this is the third week of the month. Almost the end of we can say the second week, because the first one we experienced a half of it being combined with some days of September. But actually, for this month is the second week, the full one. But it's a good one. So today, let's begin by looking for checking by the financial calendar, of which today we don't have much moves and we don't have any fundamental activity that is going to affect us today. So today we are just technically on gold, very technically, and looking at it in a way that is going to be very technical the whole of today. So for today, this asset, we just need to bring this Asian, the all-time high to this point. The market has touched this all-time high several times. Still, the Asian high is the same as it is still the same one as the all-time high. So there is no problem, even though they stay together there. You just need to mark, because the all-time high can be wiped out. Let me remove it and bring the Asian high to that point so that I can be able to know what to check on. Then I just come and take my Asian low and bring it to that point, because I need to understand the market, where it is going and how it is going to do it. So for today, if we check on the daily time frame, we are very bullish. 4 hours very bullish still, and also this is a key zone on 4 hours, because this is a good zone that you need to check on the 4 hours time frame, because this is the zone that the market, most of the time, will react on today. It might react on it, and that is my key zone of interest. So that zone I'm monitoring very much, very much, so that I can be able to have the good opportunity, and I can be able to check on it. So for me, I'm just marking the zones and wait for the price to be able to do its thing. My work is just to execute, and on the 15 minutes time frame, this is a good zone, but it's very huge, with a lot of risk due to this bigger candlestick. So for me, I need to check and see whether I can be able to see a good order block that I can be able to place at the zone. I can be able to use this candlestick, because this is the zone that my trading robot is telling me to check on much, but my work is to lower the risk to my level best, to as low as to the lowest point possible, because my bot has the scalping bot has already drawn two images here, has drawn a fair value gap, and beside the fair value gap there also have an FVG at the same point. So because this is an FVG, this is like when I remove my order block, you can see there is one that the bot has already drawn. So my work is just to know what to do. So for this zone, it's a good zone that we are looking at for the price to react on. So it's a good zone that this asset needed to react on. So, and the reason why I have been able to draw that order block there is because we have been able to monitor it from the 4 hours time frame, and we have been able to see that it's a good push. But in case the price fails to reverse to this point, at this point we have a very varied let me check. We have a very high probability order block at that point, but let's lower the risk as well so that you can be able to know. But the market has already retraced to it, So if the market pushes on the upside, you just check on it this way. Market breaks on the upside, retracement, then a push on the upside. Then otherwise, this is a good zone for pressing a sell, targeting to that zone. Else, you'll check on the way to buy when the price dips, enters in between that OB, because the OB is still huge even though it's a 1 minute OB. It's very big. It's very big. It's more than 150 pips. So you must ensure that the price has already come to around 42.85. Around that zone, 42.85, that is the good zone that you can buy at, so that you can be able to avoid much losing, because 100 pips, they are very huge. So when you buy at this point, there will be nothing wrong. There will be nothing wrong targeting this zone, whereby you will be targeting 500 pips. Let's lower the risk on this session. So probably you'll be targeting 800 and something, but my work is to lower the risk to my level best. So for here, I just want to put my normal losing opportunity. So I will just risk on 40 pips. So the best thing for a good for this position, for you to be able to place it and be profitable, wait the price to be able even to take out these liquidities. When the price takes out the liquidities, you can be able to wait for the reversal, then you enter, because you will have lowered the risk and you ensure the volume, the push on the upside has a higher volume as compared to the lower side. So it's up to you to confirm the volume, because the volume speaks a lot, because at this point we had a reversal of which it had higher volume, so you could have been able to know that this price is going to push on the upside with very high volume, and it did so. Like the price went up, and the trader who was there was able to secure his only profit, like over 800 pips. So your work is not to fight with the market, just to wait and see what the market will do. Ensure that whenever you place your stop loss, because due to manipulation, because most of the time the price might do these pushes like to this point, then pushes on the upside. So this push below here will be a liquidity sweep, so you should be very keen on it, so that you can avoid to be trapped by the institution. So because today we don't have any fundamental that can be guiding us in one way or the other, but for me, the way I do trade, most of the time I do wait the price to break above or break below the Asian high or Asian low, so that I can be able to align myself, because it's a good strategy. Because if you can check, yesterday it broke the Asian high, and the price, after it broke, the price rallied up aggressively, and it went so many pips of over. It went more than 1,000. It went more than 1,000 pips. Your work is just to execute as a trader, because after the breakout, the price rallied up to allow the 1,300 pips. Those are very, very many pips. That is a very huge figure for you to be able to target on. But it's a good opportunity if you can be able to be very keen. You can be able to catch the move, and you can be able to be profitable. So your work as a trader is just to wait. So for me, I can advise the trader to wait at this point, not to look at selling opportunities. Just look for buying opportunities, because anything might happen with gold. But buying opportunity, as per now, we are very bullish, so we just continue with the bullish direction. And remember to risk only what you are ready to lose. Do not risk more than you are willing to lose. So, and that's a good session. And I just want to wish you a good day and a blessed one. And remember to like the video, subscribe, and share the video. So, thank you, guys.